Hello once again, welcome to Strand Styles and Beauty channel. So today I'm going to show you how to transform this drab tangled weave into something fabulous, beautiful, sexy. It really looks brand new. No need of buying a new wig each time one goes old. You just have to learn how to transform it, and I'm here to show you how to do so. Wow, stay tuned. First of all, get that drab wig off your head. Get a little bit of serum and apply all over the wig, starting from the back to the front. Next, you get a detangling brush and use it to detangle the weave thoroughly, starting from the back to the front, from the tips to the roots. Then you can see that if you use a tail comb, it finds it hard to pass through. Put the wig on the mannequin and section of the hair in moderate sections. You're going to straighten the hair. So apply your serum and take a little bit of hair, weave, and detangle again thoroughly. You can clip off any part that is disturbing you. If you see any knots, just go in with your fingers or tail comb and loosen the knot. Now set your flat iron to moderate heat or high heat. Then just look at how I hold the tail comb and use the flat iron to chase the tail comb. This is known as the steeplechase method. The comb makes it possible for the hair to it straightens out the weave before the flat iron goes in to seal it permanently. And if you notice now, the tail comb is passing through the weave without any hiccups. You can see the difference when you comb it out, especially when you use a tail comb, and you see that movement compared to the drab side on the left. So you keep doing this throughout the weave. I'm going to show you again how I did it. Make sure you detangle thoroughly with a detangling brush. Then you go in with your tail comb and smooth it out a little bit. Then you gently hold the tail comb using your fingers, your thumb, your two fingers, and just pass the comb through the hair. Then you chase the comb with the flat iron. It's really a simple method. You pass it through like 2 or 3 times depending on how hot your flat iron is. I would suggest making your flat iron from medium to high heat, since it's a weave and not your hair. So I'm done all other parts, and I'm showing you how I did the closure. So apply your serum, just little tiny bits of serum each time. Section of your parts. I'm transforming it from a side part to a middle part. Section, always work in small sections. This took me about 30 minutes to do, depending on how fast and how drab your weave is. So just gently follow the comb with the flat iron each time. Always use a tail comb to do this, or I prefer a tail comb, something like a narrow tooth comb to capture all the weave, to get all the hair or all the strands on the weave. And you can see the difference there. Then next you use the flat iron to smooth out your part, and you can see that movement. Sexy. Next, you wear your wig and use your tail comb to smooth out and brush to smooth out any flyaways. And I'm just using it here to shape my hair around my face, and you can see the lovely outcome. Smooth, lots of movement. The hair obeys you anywhere you move. It moves with you. So beautiful, so beautiful. I'm really feeling myself here. I really like transforming weaves. Don't have to throw that old wig away. Just get a flat iron and you can achieve this. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, Strand Styles and Beauty.